Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Allison Remington, Instructional Technology Specialist at Clinton County RESA, and today's Tech Tip Tuesday is going to focus on how to freeze rows or columns within Google Sheets. So I have a Google Sheet here that has enough data where when I scroll, I want this first row to remain visible. So what I do is I highlight that row, so this whole first row is highlighted, and then I go to View, Freeze, and then I pick my option. In this case, I want my first row to freeze. And so now when I scroll, that first row remains visible. You can do this another way by clicking the top left-hand corner box here and just dragging it down as far as you want the number of rows to freeze. So in this case, just that first row, I hold it down and let it go, and then as I scroll, you can see that that row is frozen. The same thing works for columns. So if I want to freeze this first column, for example, I select the first column, go to View, Freeze, and then down to Columns, first column, and then as I scroll, you can see that first column remaining visible. And then with that same other option, come up to the top left-hand corner box, drag it over to however many columns you want to stay frozen, and now as I scroll, that first column remains visible. So a couple different options to freeze your rows and your columns for visibility. So that's it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you have an idea, question, or suggestion for a Tech Tip Tuesday topic, email me and your idea may be featured in a future training or Tech Tip Tuesday blast.